Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make six-figure a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. Since I debulk with 3 and I stop right here, I'm using my shears just to kind of give a little bit of connection, cutting a little bit of the overlapping, just kind of cleaning. I'm not going too high. I'm going to blend the line, but at the same time, I'm not cutting a lot. Back here, you guys notice that I use and I groom the comb, I groom the hair on the same direction that the hair is going to be styled. But since here the shape is triangular, my comb is going to be used in a triangular shape too. This way and this way, like this, because I'm going to maintain the shape at all times. Because if I cut it straight here, I'm gonna break that V in the back here, the little beak, and that's not what we want. So now I'm going to work with my barbering comb, but at first I'm using the regular side first. When I say regular, it's because this is the regular comb side that I called, and this is the barbering side, which is kind of thinner and narrowed a little bit. This is wider, so it's because when I use this side first, it's because I want to go higher where there's more length and density. But when it comes down to this line, I'm using the narrowed side because I want to get closer to the skin, closer to the guard that was like very low in this area. So in this I create a better transition. Still cutting length. My regular shears, this is the other side now. Switch for the barbering comb side, very quick. Switch to the other whenever you need. Now guys, I'm going to remove some weight from here by lifting the hair with my comb and cutting under. So every time you see somebody doing this is because that person is trying to remove some weight, some density from that area, and making the hair a little lighter to style at the same time. Just follow the steps, watch all classes, watch all the fundamentals before, because the one thing that I can say is if you learn the fundamentals, if you learn the principles of hair cutting, you can create any type of style in the world.